Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host, and we're so glad to have you join us. Today's ride is going to take us on some great curves and beautiful landscape in Arizona on State Route 89A. If you've watched our channel in the past and subscribed, thank you. We're glad to have you as part of the Road Rush Nation. We always enjoy meeting members of the Road Rush Nation on the highways. If this is your first visit to the channel, welcome! And we hope you join the nation and come along on some amazing adventures as we share our Harley road trips with you and hopefully inspire you to take your own road trip. If you'd like to be part of our amazing Road Rush Nation, then give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these amazing trips. So let's get to this ride. We love to take cross-country trips on our bikes, and I'm always looking for those great motorcycle roads in the area we're going to be visiting. So I discovered a well-known road in Arizona, State Route 89A, that not only was great for riding, but also has some famous and unique places to check out. State Route 89A is an 84-mile state highway that runs from Prescott, Arizona, north to Flagstaff. From Prescott, you travel to Jerome, then the route heads to Cottonwood, and then Sedona. The highway is notable for its scenic value as it passes through Sedona and the Oak Creek Canyon. The highway proceeds then to Flagstaff, where it crosses Interstate 17 and I-40. The highway ends at I-40 Business in Flagstaff. Okay, that's all the scenic stuff, but the best part of the route for any rider is the curves. Oh, and it's okay to lean while you're watching this episode. I catch myself doing that all the time. The curves on 89A were great, and there may have been a little floorboard scraping around some of these curves. We started our ride from the Flagstaff side since we were staying in Williams, Arizona, which is just west of Flagstaff. Williams is one of those places, if you're in the area, you need to stop at. It's part of the old Route 66, so there's a lot of nostalgia that you'll want to stop at and check out. This route will have you riding through the trees and the winding road. Then you'll be in the heat of the desert, so just be prepared for that. The area that we're riding through now is the Oak Creek Canyon area. Word of advice, keep your eyes open for traffic, since this is a high tourist area and it takes you to Sedona. When you see the terrain all of a sudden change to the Red Rocks, you know you're getting close to Sedona. We'll be going into Sedona soon, but let's first check out some of these cool curves, because let's face it, that's why bikers like to ride this. It's the curves. Oh, before I forget, some of these curves are hairpin turns, and you'll see signs warning you to take them at 10 to 15 miles per hour. So be prepared to slow down. If you're not experienced with these kind of curves, just slow down. Watch for the signs. You don't want to drift into oncoming traffic, because that's not the way you want to end a trip, if you know what I mean. I could ride the curves all day long, but now it's time to take a quick look at Sedona. Then hop on back onto Highway 89A and let's check out Jerome. After leaving Sedona, we continued west past Cottonwood and then started climbing up the side of the mountain to Jerome. This place is a must if you like history and ghost towns. Jerome, Arizona is located near the top of Cleopatra Hill and is a historic copper mining town. Once known as the wickedest town in the West, it was founded in 1876 and was at the time the fourth largest city in Arizona, with a population peaking at around 15,000 in the 1920s. Today, Jerome is a thriving tourist and artist hub with a population of around 450 people. Jerome has found a new life as the largest ghost town in America. Once a thriving mining camp, full of miners, bootleggers, gamblers, and prostitutes, now a bustling tourist destination full of artists, musicians, and gift shops. There's a great place to eat called the Haunted Hamburger that I highly recommend. And yes, the place is haunted. Bonus! Nothing better than after having a good meal is to then hit the curves as we went to Prescott. This is a great ride, and if you find yourself in the area, make sure to hit the curves of Arizona State Route 89A. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next adventure. Take care, ride safe, and enjoy life. Remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.